Velveteen Rabbit, I love it. I wish I could make a suit out of it, then you could eat it, then you could bake me in an oven, and I'd be like some human pizza. That'd be kind of cool.
I wouldn't like to eat it.
No, I wouldn't like to eat human pizza either.
Human pizza?
A suit out of pizza crust. You could just dunk someone in it. But that'd be kind of hard. Because seeing as how it's all velveteen.
Okay.
Go for it. So, what do we do? I am. I'm part Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan.
You go like this, and then you take your hands and push into it and turn it over. And if it gets too big, then you fold it.
I didn't get to experience Saskatchewan at all.
I've never been there.
Well, that's the thing, is we drove across.
We saw the lightning in the distance.
Mm-hmm.
That is Saskatchewan. Unless you live there.
Want to open a pizza factory?
No.
Really?
Through a snowstorm through a barn and get frozen to death and then finally in the spring. That's the other Saskatchewan.
Do we want to roll it out now? Or should we keep kneading it?
Wait, is
You
that where
should
the
keep
person was
kneading it.
beheaded too?
It was kind
No,
of
it was
lightheaded.
Was it
No,
Alberta?
Manitoba.
Manitoba. Manitoba's a tough place.
Yeah.
No, but you know my whole thing with that is
We pizza and
representative of
food cost. It was really fun.
absolutely nothing.
Right. Apparently schizophrenic.
Nothing
Got
happened.
on the bus.
I know.
I think
I forgot to put wine in that.
you could even argue that Canada's healthcare system failed that man.
I think you could argue if you've ever ridden on,
Yep.
certainly Greyhound,
Oh wow, look
The
at it, it's starting to get
thought of-
really round.
stabbing your
Hey,
mate
everybody,
and cutting off
Walter's
his head
succeeding.
would pass your mind. It's not as
Yeah,
not
for
that
the first time in my
far-fetched.
life.
On a couple of buses I have
Here,
never
let's start
ever
rolling it
felt
out now that it's the right shape.
Except a bus driver occasionally. And that kid who locked himself in the bathroom. We had to pull over to the side of the highway.
What happened there?
He locked himself in. They didn't know how to unlock the door.
Oh,
So we pulled over and somebody climbed in the window and unlocked it. The mother was hysterical.
This is hands down the best pizza making
So I
video
felt
that will
like-
ever hit YouTube.
Really? Awesome.
Well, I don't know.
I
Who else
get
makes
started.
pizza while talking about stabbing Greyhound seatmates? I mean, really?
Yeah, and they like put his nose and ears in his pocket for later. But
Did they say that?
yeah, that's what Grandma told me at least. I think what is way worse though is the fact that that guy was waiting at the end of the street near Celebrities, which is a really cool club, and
The whole bus
gay
needs
club,
to like
but
stop for 5 minutes
he was started
because
hammering people in the back of the head. That's mean. That's like the worst thing I've heard in a long time.
you know, and it's just like
Oh,
no.
yeah.
Put the bicycles on the front of the bus.
You ready, Walt?
It's annoying.
Yeah.
Flap.
I read in
I don't know, math, the bigger the number it is, the less you feel it, I guess.
Last week, this woman had written in and she said, take the park, put a road through there so I can get to my banking and my store and everything.
Pikachu makes pizza. That's my travels with
Put a road
Pikachu.
through Erickson Park, you know, and make it easier.
That'd be a
So
good
I don't have
idea.
to drive around,
That's
find
really
a
funny.
line, and wait for so many pedestrians to go around the roundabout. And a guy wrote in this time and he said, a lovely letter, but let me
See, this
Give
is
you
the point
another
that I
point of
said when
view.
she said that when she brought up the story. I immediately
If
brought this
that
up.
woman was walking, she wouldn't need to put a road through the nice green
Exactly.
part. She wouldn't need to idle in traffic or
I think I read
Yeah,
that.
like if it's that
blame
close.
the pedestrians for walking, which she should be doing too.